In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to stabilize video in DaVinci Resolve. So as you can see, I have this unstabilized footage here and I want to stabilize it. So for that, we need to select the video clip first, then open the inspector panel. Under it, expand stabilization option and ensure that stabilization option is enabled. And under it, we can see different types of modes such as perspective, similarity and translation. So the first one was perspective. It is best for complex movement. Second one is similarity. It balances position, rotation and scale. And the last one was translation. It only adjusts position. It is least aggressive. Now let's go over the advanced stabilization settings. This helps fine tune how smooth your video looks. First, you'll see an option called zoom. Make sure it's enabled. This automatically zooms into your video to hide any black edges after stabilization. Next is cropping ratio. This controls how much of the frame DaVinci is allowed to crop. A higher value means more aggressive cropping for smoother results. Then we have smooth. This tells Resolve how smooth you want the camera movement to be. Higher values create a more stable look, but it might feel a bit unnatural if overdone. And finally there is strength. This adjusts how much stabilization is applied overall. You can lower it if you want to keep some of the original motion. Once you're happy with the settings, just click stabilize button. DaVinci will analyze your clip and apply the changes. Wait for the progress bar to complete and that's it. Your video is now stabilized. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.